Makeup uses vocabulary for kids. Let's start now. Lipstick, lipstick, lipstick. Face powder, face powder, face powder. Eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow palette. Concealer, concealer, concealer. Mascara, mascara, mascara. Lip liner, lip liner, lip liner. Sunblock, sunblock, sunblock. Perfume, perfume, perfume. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Lip gloss, lip gloss. Eyelashes, eyelashes, eyelashes. Nail polish, nail polish. Face mask, face mask, face mask. Hair dryer, hair dryer, hair dryer. Brushes, brushes, brushes. Toner, toner, toner. Serum, serum, serum. Foundation, foundation, foundation. Sponge, sponge, sponge. Eyeliner, eyeliner, eyeliner. Blush, blush, blush. Makeup kit, makeup kit,